This is John Adam with DS Diving. I'm here with your great I don't remember the name of the boat. You're in C17 at the Lambs Yacht Club, and I'm gonna do a before cleaning video for you to estimate the time. Here we go. I'm going to swim over to that other side because my hookah line is not long enough to clean your whole boat. So, swimming around. The bottom paint of the boat looks great. There's no barnacles on the actual paint at all itself. You do have very heavy growth on your prop shaft, props, and trim tabs, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you that other side. Here we go. Yeah, it's identical on the opposite side. You have the rudders look good, bottom paint looks good, waterline looks good. Just heavy growth on the trim tabs and shaft and prop. I'd estimate this boat an hour and a half. All right, thank you for choosing DS Diving.